Hello guys, it's another updated video, newer video, higher resolution tour of my Budgie and Finch Aviaries. This is the main aviary. About 12 breeding pairs in a colony style aviary here, really big aviary. Must be a good 13 foot by about 16 foot, about 6 foot high in the middle. I'm kind of getting towards the colder days now, so I tend to just hang out here. Keep each other company. Some chicks at the bottom there. My favourite is just to the left there in the middle. Okay, let's go over to the finches who have got a lot of chicks at the moment. This is the new shelter for them. Have a quick peek in here. And this is the Finch outside bit. Should be able to see quite a few chicks. I think we've had about 10, at least 10 chicks. I think more are coming out all the time of these nests. You can see they built inside the boxes. Over to the budgies. Lots of chicks in here, lovely chicks. This one's a friendly chick, very friendly, aren't you? Yeah. There's a chick peeking out the box, eh? I don't know, chickie. Now there's two little babies, look. See if we can zoom in. Adorable. This budgie outside part must be about 16 foot long, maybe. Got about, I think I got 6 breeding pairs in here at the moment. I hope to put more boxes in for next year. And they have an inside shelter there. So there you go. One final look. Hello there guys, I hope you enjoyed an updated high resolution better picture quality tour of my aviaries. Must have a lot of budgies by now, a lot of finches coming towards the end of the breeding season. Haven't had much time to really sort out what chicks I want to keep, what birds I want to keep, etc. And it's going to be a busy time leading up to winter for me to sort out all of my birds. I just want to mention all the birds.
You want some attention?
Sorry, all the aviaries have been built by me and my wife, and I will do a guide sometime in the future, not only how to breed the birds, how to build the aviaries, where to get the nest boxes, what types of nest boxes you need, how to put it all together so that you've got a nice natural colony of either finches or budgies just living their lives, really, having chicks, chilling out, having some nice treats and a nice aviary. You don't have to have a big aviary. I went crazy. You can start off, or you can just have a small aviary and then you can extend it later on like we did. My budgies, especially in the main aviary, we bought a shed and converted it so that they can go inside, and they do. All the boys and the females that aren't breeding or on eggs or chicks, they all go inside and they sleep in there at night, and I think that's brilliant. And then all the females that are on chicks, or they've got eggs or whatever, they just stay in their nest boxes. But I think it's cool. You go outside at night, you might just see the odd little chick. Hello, what do you want? You jealous of my budgies? You want to be in my video? Sorry, I have cats. You can even say hello. You can even have cats and budgies together. Obviously, you have to keep an eye on your cats. Mine are indoor cats. I do let them out. I just keep an eye. They tend to be okay. They can obviously they jump on the mesh, but they can't really get to the budgies. So yeah. Hopefully in the future more videos, guides. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot. Bye for now. Sorry guys, just a quick note really. If you like my videos, please subscribe, because I do videos like this all the time. You know, and then you can look and you can comment, and then I can do more videos based on your comments, etc. So please, if you like the videos, subscribe for more, and I will do more, and I will cater to my audience basically. So thanks a lot guys.